Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and today I'm back with this BTS Dream Glow nail art tutorial. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using On to Peel Off base coat, which I always link in the description box. Paint your index fingernail a sparkly purple, your middle fingernail a dark navy blue, your ring fingernail white, and your pinky and thumbnails a peachy coral. So for the index fingernail, I'm starting with a scene that depicts the line, I spent my whole life following the nighttime, so I started with a hollow triangle at the tip of the nail and I went ahead and filled that in with a brush in the bottle. And then I also went in with white polish on a sponge just to kind of dab that in the center, and I also went in with a small brush to draw a white circle near the cuticle for the moon. Also take very little white polish on a thin brush and just add those in crosses and dots for the stars in the sky. So I wanted to add some details to the pathway, so I went in with the base color and just drew two lines that are going inward. Next I drew in the person who is following the nighttime with brown and white polish. For the middle fingernail, start by applying white polish with a sponge in the center of the nail, and on top of this we're going to add various shades of coral and pink. And once you have your desired blend of orange and pink, then just go over top with white polish and crosses and dots to add stars to this galaxy. And this nail illustrates the line wandering quietly right into my dreams, so the dreams is depicted by the galaxy, and I also added hollow top coat on top, and I'm going to just add the human that we drew from the index fingernail also on this nail. However, you will see the entire body here. And for the ring fingernail, I split the nail in half. I colored half of it with coral and the other half with a murky blue, and I wanted this nail to depict the line, sometimes my dreams come true, sometimes they turn to blue. So the part that is coral will be the part that comes true, and the blue part is obviously the part that turns blue. And I also added liquid latex on the skin around my nail, and I'm just going to be sponging on various shades of pink and orange onto the coral section as we've done previously. And I also added a dark blue just on the outer edge of the blue section. And over top this coral section, I'm also going to be adding some crosses and dots for the stars, as well as hollow top coat to finish off the design. For the pinky fingernail, I'll be following the same procedure as the middle and ring fingernails. And this nail illustrates the line 까만 새벽 떨리는 날개를 펼쳐, which means in the dark dawn spreading trembling wings. Although the color scheme of this nail isn't dark because it's actually pretty bright with all the oranges and the pinks, it is just pretty much to show this spreading wings image and how you're spreading your wings and dreaming. I really like that little trembling nuance in the line because it shows that you're hesitant about spreading your wings and flying and going after your dreams. However, you're doing it, you're overcoming it, and there's just something very powerful about that. And for the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing the same sort of pink-orange galaxy design that we've done for the past three nails. However, this is going to be solely focused on the single cover itself. Essentially, the difference here is that I'm going to be sponging on most of the colors on the edge of the nail, and I'll be leaving the middle because we will be drawing in the planet with white polish later. And to speed up the process of adding the stars, I also just sponged on white polish, but I made sure to dab off most of the polish so that I could just have a few specks here and there. And I also went in with a brush to add a few dots as well. And in the center area where we've pretty much left untouched, I'm going to be drawing a white circle, and this is the planet, and I will cover up pretty much the right half of the planet because that part is kind of fading into the background. And I'm just going to be adding a few streaks of a darker purple shade as shown in the single cover art itself. And then I thinned out some white polish and I'll be adding those in thin rings around the planet, and I'll also add a few lines here and there. To add that little burst of light in the middle of the nail, I've just thinned out the polish even further, and I'm just going to add that in the center and dab off the excess with my finger. Then apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done! So that is it for my BTS Dream Glow nail art tutorial, which marks the official start of my BTS World OST nail art series. I hope that this series enjoys as much love and support as the Map of the Soul Persona series did, and please stay tuned for a brand new day coming up next. Bye everyone!